I think I've seen him before somewhere. It's a gutter rack. I've seen him somewhere. Yeah, was it?
The girl that put something over here, I don't know what to do.
Thích con.
Oh, fuck.